now.
I mean, cue the violins. Am I right, Terry?
Oh, come on.
Ken, you know she's a viola.
Well, that's not nice. That doesn't make anyone feel good.
Guys, we have to move through this narrative that our kids choose to forget about us. They all go through something that makes them forget.
Oh, I wish I could see him one more time. I wish I could just tell him I'm right here. I've always been right here. Oh.
Watch your mouth, little guy. Now, I'd expect that attitude over on cable, but this is network.